This KC Highlights H4 conversion headlight kit is for those of you that have a 2007 and up JK that are looking to upgrade your headlights from the factory dingy, dim headlights that come on your Jeep when it rolls off the assembly line to something that's going to be a lot brighter. This is also going to switch you from an H13 to an H4 bulb, which is going to give you a lot of different options for your bulb choice. You can get a lot of different color temperatures, a lot of different light sources. These come with a 60, 55 watt incandescent bulb in them, but you could always switch to a xenon bulb, to an LED bulb. You have a lot of different options there. So this is going to be a pretty easy installation as far as a headlight goes. When you do any headlight on your JK, you are going to have to remove the grille. Fairly simple process, but give yourself about an hour to get these installed. Still definitely going to go with 1 out of 3 wrenches because these are completely plug and play. So this kit is going to switch you from an H13 reflector housing and an H13 bulb to an H4. So the housing is designed to accept that H4 bulb, and you're also going to get an adapter wiring harness. This is going to go from your H13 factory wiring harness to the H4 connection on the back of your new headlights. These are going to be a clear lens with a prismatic reflector. You're going to get a pretty nice beam pattern out of these and a good bit of light that is definitely going to be whiter and brighter than those factory headlights. These also have a small glow-in-the-dark KC logo on the inside of the light. That's something that some of you are gonna like, some of you aren't going to like. It is something that's included with these housings, and that's just gonna glow for a period of time after you turn your headlights off at night. In my opinion, it's a little bit flashy, but it is something that sets these apart from some of the other headlights that are out there. So to get these installed, again, definitely a 1 out of 3 wrench installation, probably about an hour, maybe a little bit less. The first step is popping the 6 plastic clips across the top of your grille off, then give the grille a pull to remove it. Then you can remove the screws that are holding in the headlight retention rings. Finally, removing the old headlights and unplugging them from the harness. At this point, you can plug your adapter harness into your factory Jeep harness, plug the other end of that adapter into your new headlight, and set the whole headlight into the headlight bucket, replacing the headlight retention ring, and finally replacing the grille. This setup's gonna come in at right around $120, and I think that is definitely going to be a fair price for what you're getting. You're getting a whole new reflector, you're getting new bulbs, and you're getting those adapters to make everything work together. Now, on the grand scheme of headlights, this is going to come in toward the bottom end of price, and you are going to see a big increase over a factory light, but it's not going to be anywhere near those full LED projector headlights. Of course, those headlights are also going to be much more expensive. So depending on what light output you're expecting and what your budget is, these could be a very nice option. So if you're looking for a fairly inexpensive headlight upgrade for your JK, I definitely recommend taking a look at this option from KC Highlights, and you can find them right here at extremeterrain.com.